Today, we're in Bohol. History isn't just in books. It's carved into the land, remembered in places like this. Unity and trust were sealed here, a reminder that progress begins with connection. Next off, the Baclayon Church, one of the oldest stone churches in the Philippines. Faith standing strong for centuries. Heritage isn't just about the past. It's about how you carry it forward. Next stop, Loboc River Floating Restaurant. A meal becomes more than food when it's shared on the water. Culture flowing with every song and smile. The river reminds us life is best enjoyed when we let it carry us forward. Next stop, visiting the Tarsiers. The smallest creatures can hold the biggest lessons. Protect what's rare, respect what's fragile. Sometimes greatness is not in size, but in uniqueness. Last stop, Chocolate Hills, baby. AKA the Chocolate Mountains. Nature has a way of reminding us that beauty can't always be explained, only experienced. Standing before the hills, you realize the world still holds wonders bigger than ourselves. Bohol is more than just sights. It's history, faith, community, and nature woven together. Travel reminds us to live better, dream bigger, and appreciate what lasts. Until next time, peace, love.